Hi, this is Hope and Tavon from Fix the World Morocco, and we wanted to make this special video just for Sean at SGT Report and Sean's audience.
Hi Sean, hi everyone. We just wanted to let you know that we want to thank you for supporting us, and we're just lucky to have met you, and we just wanted to show you around, and that we don't want to let you know that you've made it possible for us to grow this business, to help as many people as possible. And we've been doing this business since 2017 with over 10,000 customers, and we just want to give you a big giant thank you and show you around to see what's going on.
When we first started, it was just the two of us making all of our EMF protection products by hand, and since then we've grown, we've hired a whole bunch of people, and we've built a factory. So we're going to bring you inside of our factory so you can all meet everybody and see what you've made possible.
This is Maribel. She's one of our artisans. We met her through our local church, and she's from Cameroon, and she's doing the resin pour right now, so that's kind of a delicate process. But that's pretty much how we blend in all of our ingredients into the epoxy resin to make our products in our molds. Hi, this is Khadija, our lovely personal assistant. She helps with the operation of the business. She's currently filling out forms for our customers. We have quite a few forms to go through, and she's a very valuable member of the team.
And this is my mom. This is Valerie, and she also has her own health website.
Yes, I do.
So say hi to everybody. Right now she is helping us packing all of the orders to get them out. She's part of the team as well.
And this is also Samuel, and he is another one of our artisans. Really good at what he does. We met him from the local church also. He's from Nigeria.
What's up, Nigerians?
What Samuel's doing, he's actually painting Shungite for the black color into the molds before we actually pour the resin in. So he's actually priming the molds with this EMF Protection Shungite powder.
Here's our lovely Hyatt, and she's picking vegetables out of our Orgonite garden to feed everybody for lunch.
You've seen in general the factory. What we have on this side is all of our stock, our sleeping pods, getting ready to be wrapped for our customers. As we work our way around, we have our tiles, we have our Shungite pyramids in here, we have our different pendants here, along with the different phone shields. You see Mom is packaging each item for our customers. These boxes are all of our customers from our custom molds that we make here, and from these molds they end up being our products that go out, that we ship worldwide. And again, this is a team that grew organically from just 3 people, and we feel so blessed to be able to do this, provide a service for our customers and for Sean.
So from all of us here at Fix the World Morocco, to all of you there, we just want to say, God bless you, SGT Report! Woo!